Here's what the ear canal looks like when we first start the flush. We're flushing with saline using our video otoscope and a red rubber feeding tube, getting out this debris first of all to see what's behind it. More and more material keeps flowing out. Eventually we start to recognize that there's something down in the ear canal. It starts wiggling around there, and we go in with some graspers to try and get that object out. Here we grab a hold of it, pull it out, and see that this dog had a grass seed lodged deep in the ear canal, which we couldn't recognize before.